Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you step by step how to fix Google Play Store not working on your Android device. For that, first of all, you need to go to the settings of your device. In your settings, you just have to simply scroll down and then tap on the option of apps. In your apps, you will find the option of app management. So you need to tap on it. Now in app management, you will find all of the applications that are basically installed in your Android device. Among these, you need to search for Google Play Store. Then you need to come here in the app info of your Google Play Store. Over here, tap on the option of storage usage, then tap on the option of clear cache and wait for some time. After that, you can also tap on the option of clear data. Now, this is not going to delete your application, it's just going to refresh your Play Store. So you need to simply do it, then launch your Play Store to see if it is working properly or not. If the issue still persists, you can just try this second method in which you just have to restart your phone after clearing the data. Sometimes the Google Play Store just needs a fresh boot to start working again. You can also simply go to the settings of your device, and when you are here in your app management, you can also take a look at the Google Play services. So in Google Play services too, you can simply just uninstall any update, and you can also try force stopping it to see if it is able to fix your Google Play Store error. You can also check your mobile related network. So you can just simply scroll down or swipe down your notification bar and see how the internet is working on your mobile device. Sometimes when the internet is slow, you face kind of problem while downloading the applications from Google Play Store. So make sure that you improve your internet connection. So with the help of these few fixes, you will be able to fix the problem of Google Play Store not working. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. You can also let me know in the comment section which method works for you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.